Hi there, Matt here, founder of MG Design Studio. Aren't you tired of dealing with these unreliable freelancers, gig hunters, contractors? Or maybe you just don't have enough work to justify hiring a full-time designer. And let's face it, those design agency bills can really eat into your budget. Trust me, I get it. I've been around for a while. These struggles can be extremely slow, frustrating, and super pricey. But what if I told you there's a better way to handle your design needs? Introducing MG Design subscription plans. Alright, so we're here to change the game when it comes to your design experience.
Nice job, team.
From beautiful websites and app designs to eye-catching branding, we got you covered. And the best part? It's all wrapped up in a convenient monthly fixed subscription plan that you can pause or cancel anytime you like.
What?
Right, so here's how it works. Step 1, subscribe to a plan, and in no time we'll set up a design task board just for you. Step 2, start putting your design requests on it. You can put as many as you want and then prioritize them according to your needs. And finally, step 3, we'll pick one task at a time, and if needed, we'll revise it until you're 100% satisfied.
Nice.
Each design is unique, done with exceptional quality, tailored just for you and your business, and obviously all yours. What are you waiting for? Join us today and watch your designs come to life tomorrow.